His presence, that I may know him, and the power of his resurrection, and the fellowship of his sufferings. Philippians chapter 3 verse 10. W. C. Burns of India wrote, "Oh, to have a martyr's heart, if not a martyr's crown." Popularity and adulation are far more dangerous for the Christian than persecution. It is easy, when all goes smoothly, to lose our sense of balance and our perspective. The important thing is to walk with Christ, to live for Christ, and to have one consuming passion to please Him. Then, whatever happens, we know that He has permitted it in order to teach us some priceless lesson and to perfect us for His service. He will enrich our circumstances, be they pleasant or disagreeable, by the fact of His presence with us. Prayer for the day. Lord, my soul wants to love and know you far more deeply. Forgive the times I have set my eyes on things that keep me from you.